So we have our special guest Marilyn back, and you know, these are just some of the nicest videos that we get to do, where we have patients that look at where you've been, where you're at now, and you said something now that, you know, you can't stop smiling.
No, I can't, and it's wonderful. I finally got my teeth, and I'm so happy with them. It's wonderful.
That's awesome.
When I look at my before picture, I can't believe
that was you.
That was me.
Yeah.
My gum disease was getting to the point where
you could lose teeth from a sneeze.
Yeah, I noticed my teeth were getting looser and looser, and all the other dentists that I was going to, they just wanted to save my teeth.
Right.
And I knew it was a failing proposition. My teeth were, I had dentures or partials that were not fitting properly. I was spending money that was just going up in the air.
Right.
And I just wanted them all pulled.
Right. And get something
and
better.
Get something that was going to work for me instead of.
So, do you think dental implants, where teeth out, implants in, has that worked for you, Marilyn?
It's the best thing I've ever done.
Oh, that's wonderful.
I did have pain in the beginning, you know, after I had them all pulled out.
Right. But just a little.
But it was minor, really, compared to what I got now.
Right.
I mean,
worth it.
It's completely worth it.
Yeah.
I mean, I can eat, I smile, I have teeth that I want.
It's amazing.
It's amazing. It's a life-changing
event.
Well,
we're real happy that you chose us. We're real happy that we were able to take such good care of you, and the results speak for themselves. So we are so happy and fortunate. So thank you so much.
Well, thank you for listening to me. That's what I love about this place, is you guys actually take time to listen to what I want.
Yeah.
And go above and beyond.
Well, thank you. That means a lot.